Hello everyone. So today I will be making chicken wings fry in the air fryer. So the advantage of air fryer is that it takes the minimum amount of oil. I have taken about 12 chicken wings. To this add about 2.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. While you marinate these chicken wings, you need to poke the chicken wings using a fork so that the masala seeps into the chicken wings through the poked holes. To this add about 2.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add 2 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. You can add 2 teaspoon of chicken tikka masala. Add 2.5 lime juice. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Now mix all of this well. Before you put to marination, you need to add about a tablespoon of oil into this. Now mix this well and put the chicken wings in the refrigerator for marination overnight or for about minimum 3 to 4 hours. It has been about 8 hours after the marination. You are just going to add your pieces to the air fryer jar like this. Once this is done, now I'm going to add a little masala on top of it. Put this in the air fryer and I'm going to cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes. To be precise, 12 minutes, 6 on each side. This is the G-Pass air fryer that I have. As you remember, I have already added oil to the marination, so I am not going to add any more further oil. Insert the jar into the air fryer and I'll set the temperature to about 200 degrees centigrade and I'm going to put the time to about 6 minutes. Once 6 minutes is done, I am going to turn the chicken pieces over and I am going to cook for another 6 minutes. It has been 6 minutes. As I see this, it looks like it is done, but now I am going to turn the pieces over. Put it back again. Put the temperature to 200 degrees centigrade and the timing to 6 minutes. It has been 6 minutes on the other side as well. So it is ready. Now I'll dish out and I'll show you how the preparation looks like. This is the chicken wings. If you like this recipe, please like, share and comment on the videos that I make. Thank you so much for your support. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care and bye-bye.